Hello art lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for beginners who want to try watercolor as the medium of painting and have so many ifs and buts on how to start with this medium. Watercolor painting has long been a favorite medium of expression for enthusiasts and professional artists alike. Although you only need a brush and a pigment to get started, watercolor is a material with many creative possibilities. Before going further, don't forget to subscribe Akansha Arts and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. By incorporating household supplies into your painting, you can create work that has interesting textures as well as fluid, carefree colors that showcase the best attributes of the medium. So in this video, I will give demo on 6 watercolor techniques. There are so many more techniques which I will cover up in upcoming videos. So let's start with first one, that is wet on wet. This approach showcases the best quality of watercolor paint, its ability to create beautiful washes. To produce this technique, simply wet the part of paper with your brush and then dip your brush into another color and lightly spread it on the wet area, and you will see the pigment feathers in that water area. The next technique is dry on wet. As the name suggests, we will just wet the paper with only water and then clean the brush that it had no water left, and we will just take the pigment on brush and just move on that wet area of the paper, and you can see how beautifully it spreads. Now the next technique is dry on dry. It is very simple. There will be no wash on the paper. We will just take a little bit of water and just to collect the pigment on brush and just move it on the dry paper. The next technique is flat wash. A flat wash makes up a majority of watercolor painting. It's such a basic technique that you don't even realize you are doing it. Simply dip your brush in water and paint and then spread it over your intended surface. The important thing to remember is to make sure that your color looks even. A flat wash should appear as a single solid hue on your paper. Now the next technique is blending. Here what I did is taken 2 colors, that is orange and yellow, and started mixing it from the middle part, and this overlapping creates a blend. Now last technique is gradation. A graded wash shows a transition from light to dark. Start by painting dark, load up brush with the most pigment and then drag it across the paper. On the next pass, add less pigment on your brush and swipe it across the paper so that it slightly overlaps with your first line. The 2 groups will begin to converge and eventually look like one. Repeat this process, adding less and less pigment until you have got your desired tonal range. Please hit the like button if you like this video and find it helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.